Oh, timeless. Oh, okay.
Did I say it timely?
Yeah, timely. I was like, what do we mean by timely? I mean, we can get it like the chrome we can get quicker than, I guess that's what we mean.
Each bathroom has its own character, and one of the features that truly defines that character is your shower finish. The color, texture, and overall look not only influences the style of your bathroom, but also its durability and ease of maintenance over time. Welcome to Beyond the Bath, and in today's episode, Will is going to break down the different shower finish options, giving you a clear picture of what works best for your budget and design goals. So Will, which finishes are the most timeless and cost-effective?
Most timeless, cost-effective, it's going to be your standard chrome finish.
So brushed nickel, it costs a little bit more. Why would it be worth spending that little bit more money for a homeowner?
Yeah, so basically, from your upgrade from chrome is going to be brushed nickel. It gives you that little bit of bump up there, in price, but kind of sets it apart from, other standard chrome faucets.
Okay, and matte black seems like a very bold color, right? And could be appealing in most settings. Could it be risky as well?
I mean, it's any finish that's going to be different from chrome or brushed nickel is going to be risky, right? So, right now the hot trend is black. It's going to be matte black finishes on your faucets and handles of your vanity and stuff like that. But it can be risky if you stick with those trends.
Okay, and gold finish.
Gold finish too.
What do you think of the gold finish?
Yeah,
Luxury vibe?
Gold finish is nice for sure, right? It kind of brings that old school back into the new school, right? But again, it could be one of those trends, could last a long time, it might not, right? So if you spend a lot of money on these faucets, to get that gold trim, you may be hurting in a couple of years whenever you want to do that bathroom renovation again, and the trend isn't there anymore.
And electroplated finishes, chrome, brushed nickel, how do they compare over time? How do they compare to painted finishes?
Right. So the electroplated finishes, like the ones behind here, they're going to last a lifetime, right? So when you go to the box stores and you see, let's say, a Moen faucet, right? You're going to get a different finish at a box store than you would at a wholesaler. So those are going to be painted on finishes that aren't going to stand the test of time versus the shower trims behind us. And they are going to stand the test of time because they're not a painted finish.
Okay, so for high use bathrooms, a lot of people use them, then you would recommend those finishes, correct?
Definitely high use and in hard water situations too.
That's a good point.
Yeah.
So when a homeowner's thinking about they're going to get their faucet, what should they be thinking about? Like when the style, the maintenance, how does that all fit together?
Style, maintenance, you really want to look at the overall picture of that bathroom, right? What you want the entire bathroom, what you envision for that, right? So you got to kind of start with a whole plan, and then you're going to pick your different finishes to kind of match the overall look of that bathroom.
And so in high moisture environments, is there a specific thing that you're looking for, a specific finish that you're going to recommend in those type of environments?
Yeah, so you're definitely going to want to go with a shower faucet that has that electroplated finish. But also, if you've got high moisture areas where you've got a lot of steam, you want to go with something that's going to not show those water spots. So something like chrome, you're not going to really see as much as compared to a matte black, where that's going to show a lot of that moisture over time.
Okay, so how can matching finishes across the faucet, handles, and trim make the design look more cohesive?
Yeah, so any shower faucet, we can find the corresponding lav faucet, right? So same design, same finish. And we could also match your handles to the vanity, right? And then we could even change that toilet handle for you if you want to match everything.
And how do you help homeowners choose a finish that's both going to be stylish today and still appealing in the future?
Yeah, so we want to look at obviously, the current trends that are going on right now, but also what their preference is, right? It really always comes down to what is the homeowner's preference. We can give them, options, but there's too many options, I think, when it comes down to it. So really it's just asking what they like, what they prefer, and what their preference is at the end of the day.
That sounds good, Will. Thank you very much. That was very helpful.
Welcome.
Planning a bathroom upgrade becomes much easier when you know the right shower finish for your space. At Bytown Bath, we're here to help you choose and install the option that brings lasting value and style to your home. Just visit us at bytownbath.com to book your service. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's considering a bathroom makeover. Thank you for watching, and here's to beautiful bathrooms that stand the test of time.